I don't slang up bang, I just smoke motherfuckers like it ain't no thing.
Everyone thinks their state's the best. Yes, California's pretty good. But Arizona is part of California before it was Mexico, and then they started naming it shit. Wow, look at that house down there, no way. Huh. But dude, it's just not as populated as California. Look at this. So, going up Mount Lemmon here. Obviously, I showed you guys a little bit of the drone footage and stuff. This is just going back up it. Oh my God. Driving the Lincoln doesn't do that at all. It makes me miss the G, because gangsters drive Gs. Like this. So this is down in Tucson. This is it's like 130 miles from Phoenix, so I can't leave my dog at home. I stayed the night down here. You know, I wanted to party, and the party scene, it was good. It's a lot more hippie down here, and hippie means we're not talking alcohol and weed, just all around hippie. Yeah. What, Blazer? Did you hear party? Did you want party? Blazer's like, God damn it. At Motordyne. Video, but dude, it sounds better in real life. Like the echo of these walls. Christ. Well, now I feel like I'm in California because now we're getting traffic. It's like a one take with Matt Farah, you know? He just pulls over and clips in because who wants to ride behind somebody? God damn. My bad, Blazy. My bad, Blazy. Blazer, what are you doing? Well, it's about that time, gentlemen. 5:15. The drone batteries have completely died. So let's lock the G up here and stretch it out. Hope you guys liked that video as much as I enjoyed making it. And let's go over here to the little tourist attraction that everybody goes to and check it out. So the G's all in one piece. After some serious ripping on, she definitely 190,000 miles. Rips like none other. It's a fucking great toy. Alright, come on. Alright, that'll end the vlog for today. The drone got dead, so I wasn't able to come over and take it over here. So next time I come, I'm going to bring the drone right here instead of just driving it on the road. Because take this little view. Oh, Blazer. Blazer's definitely scared. I got him right over here on the edge. So that was the road we were just on, which comes up to London Mountain. That's beautiful.